Okay, we will use this two components for our user interface. One of them, this one is the individual file, and this one is file upload, which is the bigger component that will have this one inside of it. Like, that's how it will work. And this one will show us all of our files using this one, and it will allow us to upload new files. So here's the code for those two components. I have them right here inside these folders. So this one, let's start with the smaller component, which is this one. Let's copy it and then I will explain it to you. It is over here in UI components, and we will create a new file called files. We'll create a new folder, I'm sorry. It's called files. Yeah, we called it files. So inside this folder we'll create a new component called individual file. So we go here and we call individual file .jsx, and we copy the code. Okay, so the individual file component, what it does is it creates the structure for the file. Here you can see you have a button for renaming the file, for deleting the file. This is how the user can manage files from our file system. And it can also call some methods like remove the file, and it will send the file ID. And well, all of these methods like remove file, rename file, they are called when you click one of these buttons. So for example, if you click the delete button, this will call remove file, which is over here, and this one will use a Meteor call. We'll use this one. We'll use this remove file Meteor call in order to remove the file, sending the props for the file ID. Okay, so let's go to the next component, which is the file upload. We can copy this. File. Okay, here it is. This one has it's like the bigger component, which shows you all of the files you have, and it will load them and it will allow you to upload new files. So here you can see in the render method, here you have if there are any files and the document is ready, it will show you the files and it will allow you to upload new files. If not, it will say it is loading the file list. Okay, here we have a with tracker. This one is in order to go to the API and use some methods that will allow us to retrieve the files we have and find them, like with this one. And it will return those two props elements we will be using right here in this if and inside of it as well. Okay, so let's try to run this. Oh, let's use this one. Okay, so we'll use just Meteor. And meanwhile, it's